YouTube. It's been a minute since I upload. Have not had the time to do so, but here with me I have some release from the recent Yeezy release. So about to show you guys my pickup from that release and my favorite one. So as usual, with no further delay, let's jump right into it. My first one, I really don't know what is it in this box, so let's check. Oh, and that's the slides. This is the slides. Yes sir, personal size 10, and this is the new one, guys. See what these looks like. Okay, it look like light gray to me. I like this colorway though. As usual, you got the Yeezy stamp in the inside upper right. It's a made in China, size 11. And it's giving me like a gray look vibes, light gray. Oh yeah. Let's see what the other one is. Like those slides though. So I was about to get some slides for like our subscribers, but ain't nobody comment the size, so I did not know what to do. Oh yeah, it's a quantum. This is new. I don't have any of these. This one is new. This is nice though. It's different. I was trying to go for the orange one, but unfortunately I did not get that one. No extra lace. Yes sir. It's different. I like the orange one more though. This is nice too. So yes, there it is. As you can see, you got like a mesh right here, a little fine mesh. Got Adidas right here. Got the Yeezy in there. And this one I go up a half a size. So that's a 10.5. I like it though. It's different. It's different. So guys, comment and let me know if you did pick these up or no. Yeah, this one is nice. I like it. So yeah. Yes sir, this is nice. I like. Got a nice soft around the heel. Really soft. Yeah, this is fire. Another little quick 360 view. Got this nice soft black tongue. Alright. Next quick review on them slides as well. And that's size 10 guys, 11 at 11 guys. I go up a full size with the slides. Okay, very nice. Alright guys, just remember, if you're new here and if you're into shoes and cars, although I don't start upload cars content as yet, but soon I got a lot of car contents to upload. But if you're into cars and kicks guys, just subscribe, like up this video and comment guys. I'll see you in the next one.